Look at all this, 1,800 different categories. Look at this. Look at this. It's awesome. So yeah, in today's day and age, there's so many more possibilities online to be able to simply learn a skill, get in front of those potential clients that are looking for that skill that you can provide, and do the work for them. In this video, I'm going to give you a bunch of freelance jobs where you can actually start working for yourself, start earning money for yourself from home. All right, so let's get to these freelance jobs so that you can start working for yourself. Now, first you'll see on the screen, this is the Freelance Success Formula that I have created. And step number 1 in that formula is learn an in-demand skill. So when it comes to freelancing and working for yourself, what I suggest is to learn an in-demand skill first. And I will actually include a link to this actual guide below in the description, so you can actually get that downloaded for free and get access to it. So here we go. Now, when it comes to learning a skill or freelancing and working for yourself from home, you want to learn that in-demand skill. So you simply just go to Google and type in in-demand skill. And here you see, here are some of the top skills that are in demand in 2022. Coding and software enhancement, artificial intelligence, networking development, soft skills. Those things right there, they seem a bit complicated. Let's see if they'll actually show us more items that are easier to actually learn or that you might actually already have as a skill. Okay, here we got, there's more here, so that's even better. So they got analysts, public relations, X out of that. Video production, now this is pretty big, and audio production, sales, digital marketing, and SEO, copywriting. So they put the most complicated things on the first page, of course. But these are easier: content creation, blockchain, machine learning, financial management, trading, foreign languages. So all those things are in-demand skills, and some of them you might already know how to do. Art design and photography, management consulting. You know, if you work a job and you've been a manager for quite some time, you can do management consulting. And video production, audio production, you can actually learn these things and start implementing them right away. And so when it comes to freelancing and learning in-demand skills, there's a wide range of them that you can actually do. So it doesn't have to just be those. There's so many of them. As you can see, all these articles that are talking about in-demand skills. This one even says top 10 in-demand skills for 2025. It's not even 2025 yet. So people are thinking far ahead, but whatever that in-demand skill is that you learn, you can actually do it for years and years and years on end, because it will always be in demand. It will never run out of demand. So when it comes to things, supply and demand, you have that skill that is in demand. So people will always come to you so that you can actually do it for them, as long as you provide that high quality work for them. So you can do that as a freelancer, that in-demand skill. So here is where you will actually that's how you will learn how to do it. You actually go and type in-demand skill on Google, and then you will find a course that actually teaches you how to actually do that skill. Then you will put that skill, that in-demand skill that you learned, that freelance skill, on one of these freelance platforms. So we got Upwork right here. We got Fiverr. That's number 2. We got people per hour. That's number 3 for freelance platforms. We have Freelancer right there. We have Guru. That's another freelance platform. And we also have Legit right there. And then we got TopTal. Hire the top 3% of freelance talent. So you see, all of these freelance platforms are available for you to be freelancing and working for potential clients from home for yourself. There's a lot of talents that do these in-demand skills, but of course, since it's in demand, we need more talents that can do them. So when you learn that in-demand skill, you put up a profile on these actual platforms and get in front of those potential clients that are looking for the work that you can provide, because it's in demand. Connect with those potential clients, make sure you can provide high quality work for them, which you can and should be able to do. It's all up to you and making sure that you get better at your craft. Because when I first started out doing voiceovers, I was really bad at it, really terrible. But over time, as I got better, I even acquired a client that paid me $1,000 for 1 hour of voiceover work. So these are possibilities for you. huge possibilities if you're willing to actually learn that in-demand skill, something that you absolutely enjoy. So let's go back to the in-demand skills. You want to learn something that you enjoy, not something that you're just going to be like, oh, I'm going to do it because I can make a lot of money with it, because the money will get tiring. You'll get to a point where you will be unsatisfied. And most people have jobs where they're not satisfied with them. You want to learn something that you will truly, absolutely enjoy doing. So like for me, video production is huge. It's one of the things that I do. I always like kind of editing a few videos, like compilations of my nieces and nephews when they were younger. And so going into video production was something that automatically I was like, okay, that's great for me. I would love to be able to do that and learn how to do it, even get better at it, to where I'm actually creating videos for my clients and editing their videos and things like that. And so that's one of the things that I do today. And I truly enjoy doing it. So I don't see myself getting tired of it and saying like, oh, I don't want to do that anymore. So you definitely want to pick an in-demand skill that you will enjoy doing. That is really, really important. And this is for now and beyond. As I said, as years go on, you will truly start to really love what you do. And these freelance platforms, you can connect with these potential clients and really start working with them. You'll get repeat clients and you'll get new clients that will connect with you because you provide that high quality work for them. And there's a wide range of them. There's graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, business, lifestyle, data. Like if you go into Fiverr, you will find up here, graphic and design. Look at all of these things. You can learn how to do these. If it's something that you're passionate about, something that you're excited about doing, learn it. And if you already know how to do it, just start getting in front of those potential clients and do the work for them. Digital marketing. Look at all of these sub niches within these big niche. Writing and translation. Oh, I clicked on that. Let's go back. Writing and translation. Look at all of these. Cover letters, sales copy. Of course, that's huge. Sales copy, script writing. I actually write scripts for my clients as well. Job descriptions, press releases, grant writing, transcription. Look at all of these things. Video and animation. So you can't say that there's not opportunity out there. There's absolutely a wide range of opportunities out there, but you have to be willing to look for them. Be resourceful. And that's how I actually started freelancing, is because I'm quite resourceful. I can just get on a computer, do research, and find out how I can do this, how I can do that. And in the information age that we live in today, you can do just about anything. You can learn how to do just about anything. A lot of it's on YouTube where you learn things for free, or you can purchase a course and learn how to do it. So video animation, video editing, character animation, logo animation, NFT animation, which is new, social media videos, screencast videos, which is what this is currently, drone videography, all of these things, music and audio, voiceover, of course, which I do as well. You got songwriting on here. That's pretty incredible. Audio editing, programming tech, which is somewhat more complicated, but you can of course learn how to do that if it's something that you enjoy. WordPress, wide range, business plans, legal consulting, sales, customer care. Look at all these things. And they got lifestyle. So these things are right out of the box, Online tutoring, gaming, which is pretty huge, fitness lessons, dance lessons, life coaching. And then you got the trending tab. Things that are trending today, drop shipping, of course, NFT art, NFT development, character animation, search engine optimization. So all these things, there's a wide range of opportunities out there, and there are people that are there looking for what it is that you can create and provide for them. You just got to learn how to do it and connect with those potential clients. You're on people per hour, same thing. You got the different categories at the top. You can click on them and see all the different services that are available on the platform and decide which one you want to do, which one you want to learn how to do. Freelancer as well. So all of these freelance platforms are fantastic for you to be able to connect with clients that are looking for the services that you can provide, the skills, and you just start working for yourself as a freelancer. Many more possibilities online to be able to simply learn a skill, get in front of those potential clients that are looking for that skill that you can provide, and do the work for them, and repeat that process over and over again. And I didn't know that this was even a possibility, but with some research, I found out, and now, that's absolutely something that you can do as well. Look at these categories. They have them at the top, so you can just Check it out. Find out what it is that you enjoy doing and just start doing it. That's all it takes. It's not that complicated. And it doesn't take long to actually learn that skill. There's courses online. You can simply purchase that course and then just start learning it. Start implementing what you've learned. But you have to be disciplined. That is really important. So with Top Talent, same thing right here. You see what it is you can do on here as well. So as I mentioned, get on here and search for InDemand Skills on Google, just like I just did for you. Go back up. Let's go back. Yeah. Search for those InDemand Skills. And then simply just learn one that you truly enjoy. Get onto these freelance platforms and you will be good to go. It's simple. It's not complicated at all. Just like with the Freelance Success Formula, just a 3-step process. Like Freelance Success Formula right there. It's a 3-step simple process. I'll include the link to that. And like I said, you simply just do it. Find out that in-demand skill that you truly enjoy and love doing for the next few years, because you will be doing it for the next few years. Save that money, invest that money, and have that money working for you so that you never have to work for money again. But yeah, those are the freelance jobs, that a number of them that you can actually do today, tomorrow, a year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 20 years from now, because the internet isn't going anywhere. So you can work for yourself from home and provide this work for potential clients and keep doing that. It's an absolute success cycle. You can absolutely do it. All right, so I just showed you a wide range of different freelance jobs that you can do from home. Start working for yourself. Now, the next thing you got to do is just implement that knowledge that you just learned. Start doing it. Start find out which in-demand skill that you actually will enjoy doing, making a career out of it, and actually start doing it. Learn how to do it, implement it, start working with those potential clients, make them long-term clients, and repeat that success cycle. Nothing stopping you but you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up to let me know that this is great content, because I want to help you as much as I possibly can with building your freelance business from home so you're working for yourself. Also, let me know if you have any questions. Put them in the comment section below. If anything was confusing, if I went through too fast with it, or if it was actually really great and helpful to you. I truly appreciate your attention and your time, and thanks for subscribing to my channel.